So I recently did a review on the Benki umbrella. That's Benkii. And Benki is known for making a relatively robust umbrella. In fact, they say it can handle 60-mile-an-hour winds because it's designed really well. It has fiberglass poles instead of metal bars on the top of the umbrella. But there is another player on the market, and I was kind of excited to try them as well. And they also make a very rugged umbrella. It's called the Procella. Now the Procella has almost like a second umbrella built into the top. It's more of like a way to gusset the wind around when it gets trapped, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. But this umbrella just came in the mail today, and I thought, wow, this is a really nice box. So if anything, they get an A for the box. The box is very nice and it's very well packed. And we're going to open it up here. And it also has a sleeve, just like the Benki does, or every other portable umbrella. Now its sleeve is not quite as thick as the Benki, but you know, personally, usually I lose the sleeves anyhow, so that's not important to me. But it's still decent quality. It's not bad. It's got a Velcro strap instead of a button strap, and yeah, that's alright. I kind of like the buttons. I think the buttons hold it better. These usually, you know, Velcro sometimes can wear out, but I guess if you're using an umbrella that much, you're getting your money's worth out of it. It does have a read me first kind of important information, and one of the things they recommend is you register. These also have a lifetime warranty, but you do have to register it before they'll honor that, and you have to register within 30 days of purchasing it. So we're going to unstrap this and kind of take a look. It feels pretty thick. Actually, it feels very nice. It feels very similar to the Benki. It also has a extract and retract button, so to speak, so it'll eject itself and also undeploy itself. And we'll try that and see how that works here in a second. Okay, we're going to press the button here for the first time and see how it opens up. It opens up pretty nice, pretty tight. This umbrella has an octagon shaft as well, which is good for strength. But the secret of the Procella umbrellas is they have these gussets. And basically when the wind comes up under the umbrella, instead of pulling on the umbrella, the wind has a place to escape, and they escape out these gussets. And if you look at the top of the umbrella, you can see there's an exit there for the wind to come out. And all the reviews in these umbrellas say that that works really well. I have not used this one, at least as of yet, but everybody says that the gussets are the key. These also, and I didn't see this in the advertisement, maybe I should have read it better, but these also have fiberglass poles in them as well. And there we go. Those are fiberglass, they're not steel, so those can handle a beating and not fall apart. The umbrella also has a retract on it, so you press the button again, and it will retract, and then you just pull it down and you're ready to go, of course, after you strap it. Let's do some measurements on it, see how big it is. Okay, measured from edge to edge, it looks like we're right about 37.5, maybe 38 inches. Not too bad. It's a little smaller than the Benki umbrella, but certainly big enough. In the collapse mode, it measures just a hair over 10 inches. Again, a little smaller than the Benki umbrella. And I'm going to say the girth on this is just a little over 2 inches. Also a little bit smaller than the Benki umbrella. That being said, I think the Benki umbrella is actually built better. But I think this particular umbrella will hold up for a very long time. It's definitely better quality than what you would find in your big box store, your cheaper umbrellas. You can also find this umbrella on Amazon for like 15 bucks, sometimes $20 if you don't have a good deal. So it's relatively inexpensive. It's built really well. It's not as built as good as the Benki umbrella, but I would say it's probably second best to any other umbrella I've ever owned. So not a bad deal. And it's a lot smaller, so it'll fit in your briefcase, you know, a little bit better. And it's definitely lighter. The Benki is a lot heavier. This thing's pretty light, so not bad.